Mark manages a portfolio of commercial property. He is under pressure to meet ever-increasing targets. Mark then hears about Symphony Energy. With Symphony, he realizes he can beat both his own targets and industry benchmarks. He can also achieve this with less time and effort than he thought possible. To top it off, he finds he doesn't need to arrange the capital investment to have all these benefits. Instead, the solution is financed from the savings it generates, typically over just 4 years. Mark decides to apply a Symphony solution to his building portfolio. Symphony first undertakes a holistic assessment of the buildings and then proceeds to invest in strategic upgrades and enhancements across the portfolio. This includes the installation of new technologies, methodologies, and performance measurement equipment. From this, Symphony generates new data variables that are key to Mark achieving his KPI targets. For even more convenience, Symphony can automatically generate much of the KPI data that Mark needs for his periodic reporting. Indeed, Symphony can collaborate with Mark to minimize the manual paperwork and data gathering exercise he is doing today, so tomorrow he is equipped with streaming data and a suite of automated reporting tools. With the Symphony solution automatically delivering unrivaled energy efficiency day in, day out, Mark can now focus his attention on other aspects of his building portfolio. And of course, enjoy the kudos that he and his company receives for excellence in facilities management performance. Mark's Symphony solution has also provided his company with the evidence to make a stronger corporate social responsibility impact statement. As Mark watches his KPI data, he realizes that, with Symphony, his building portfolio is also making large saving on 1. Maintenance costs, 2. System lifecycle renewal costs, 3. Facilities management time and personnel costs, 4. Compliance costs, and 5. Data management and reporting costs. Mark also sees the energy usage in his buildings reduced to near or better than NZEB levels of consumption. Altogether, Mark realizes that his Symphony solution has probably had a rate of return towards 100% or more. Having slashed his service charge costs, Mark's portfolio can now attract a higher rental yield. His clients are delighted. For Mark, this amounts to success without the stress. Contact Symphony Energy for a free consultation. www.s.ie